Guys, I think I've just found a new... This was really not planned. I'm falling more and more in love with this red. This goes well with my outfit as well, and all of this wasn't planned, guys. Turns out all the autumnal bags that are slowly coming out now actually look quite good. My beloved white Celine bag and a mini cloth. I don't know what it is, guys, but I really like that teeny tiny little bag. Welcome back to my channel. I didn't want to film today. I'm really dressed like a schlop today. I really didn't intend to do anything. I'm actually looking for a dress for my friend's baby's christening because I'm gonna go there soon. I really try to look into can you wear white dress to a christening, you know, or is it not allowed? And you find so many different opinions online because I wanted to wear my white lace dress. It's really comfortable, it's not too tight because you guys know I still can't wear anything tight, and I want to be comfy because it's gonna be a long day, and I really don't have a lot of stuff at the moment that still fits me comfortably. I just wanted to go look for a new dress, maybe from Self-Portrait or something like this, so I'm on my way to Selfridges, but I thought, you know what, if we go there anyway, you know, why not? Oh, what's that? Oh, guys, I think I've just found a new... This was really not planned. I think I just found a new pre-loved shop. Yes, I wasn't sure if it's real bags, but it seems like it. Look, Bottegas. We got a Fendi there. Okay, this was really not planned. Shall we head in? So it's just called Consigned, Sealed, Delivered. I don't know if that's, yeah, CSD. That seems to be the name of the shop. Guys, look at this Valentino blouse. Really nice. Maybe even find a dress here. I wanted to have a look what kind of bags. These are the Bottega bags we saw from the outside. What kind of bags they have. It's a really nice shop. I don't know why I've never encountered this place before. It's just in one of the side streets close to Selfridges. This is what I mean, guys. I really didn't plan to film today. This is my little, you know, not filming outfit. Wow.
No problem.
They have Bvlgari jewelry as well. Look at that. I've never even seen bags like that. Look at that Chanel bag. It's pretty interesting. Ooh, look at this Dior. And how are the prices here? 5,200. Look how beautifully stitched this bag is. That's super nice. Another one. Look at this. Really, I mean, I'm still looking for a pair of sunglasses. That's a nice one. Could look good on me. Look at all the Dior strips. I'm still a fan of these Versace shoes. We've seen them in Notting Hill everywhere. They give you a lot of height. Oh wow, is that Godzilla? On this Dior bag. It's really interesting pieces. I mean, I've seen a lot of pre-loved bags in my life. Oh wow, look at this Bvlgari Serpenti bag. Super nice, and there you can see the beautiful malachite eyes. Wow, look at this pink Dior. And look at a Birkin and a really nice Chanel. Beautiful leopard Valentino coat. We got Chanel too. Yeah, like I said, guys, I really wasn't planning on filming today. But look, this goes pretty nicely with my outfit, no? It's like autumnal already. I love these because they didn't have the divider in the middle yet, like the newer bags do, so you could fit a lot of stuff in here and you weren't restricted by the space. I had this one in green once. I don't know if you can remember. I gave it to one of my best friends in Germany. But this is such a nice color. And Caron, like I always say, it's one of the most durable exotic leathers and one of the most reasonably priced ones too. And it's £1,100. Okay, I actually read the Dior one wrong. We have to go back to that one. So that's the retail price, and you can get it for £1,000 here. So it's actually 3,800. Okay guys, Nice little unexpected find. Some of the bags are reasonably priced, some were a bit expensive for pre-loved items. And guys, I'm just walking up to Selfridges. Such a grey day, and just look how beautiful London is. Look guys, and this is the resale fridges area where they have vintage pieces as well. Look at this Fendi baguette. It's actually a Fendi baguette in wool. This guys is a Celine. That's interesting. Just a quick overview guys of what resale fridges got. That's a nice reissue. I'm a fan of vintage Dior. That gives me like Paris Hilton and Nicole Richie vibes. That's pretty cool. And you can get me with pearls. Always. Look at these. Pretty cool. What's this? This is a Gucci Tom Ford. Okay, this is a PVC see-through clear plastic bag, but that's kind of cool. I wonder how much that one is. And a classic jumbo. So guys, I was actually looking for the self-portrait dress. It's more cream than white. I really don't know what to wear to a christening, you know. I know it needs to be light colors, but not white, but maybe cream, maybe flowers. You guys know the feeling that when you're looking for something, you just don't find anything, and when you're not looking, it's all there. Oh, look at this new Gucci bag. What is this? Never seen this before. Okay guys, they just told me this bag only just came in and they were just talking about it. I'm gonna ask them what the name of this bag is. It's super heavy. I have to say it is super heavy because it's all woven leather and you got the GG symbol there. I'm still in love with this one. So this bag over there is called the Gucci Soft and they only have 5 of those bags in the UK in this cream color and 8 in black, in case you're interested. Oh guys, since I tried this Dionysus on with my husband, I'm falling more and more in love with this red color. What do we think? Especially with the subtle champagne gold. So rare for Dionysus to come with champagne gold hardware. Guys, I love my Dionysus bag. Mine is a lot heavier though, because it has all the studs and the thick leather. This one's super light. Honestly, I mean, look at this leather. It's so stunning, no? Okay guys, quick look at what's new at Chanel, I would say. Nothing really that catches my attention here in the window display. Guys, look at these Chanel clutches. Okay, they're pretty cool, little dumplings. Okay guys, look at this vintagey looking huge Chanel bag. You can wear it, I think, as a clutch. It's like a caviar leather or with a shoulder strap. Oh, this goes well with my outfit as well, and all of this wasn't planned, guys. Okay guys, oh my god, this is the first time I have butterflies again. Trying on a Chanel bag in months and years. Well, one of the new Chanel bags. Look at this beautiful burgundy leather. This is a red I would love. This is more of a brown red, and then you got the gold hardware and the gold strap. You can wear it as a clutch. Oh god, I'm in love, guys. What do we do? Okay guys, this is the smaller size. It comes in the burgundy as well, but I wanted to show you the pink as well. This flap is a little bit not straight. It's a little bit bent. But I like the idea of these vintage looking bags. They really remind me of the 90s jumbos. Again, you can wear it as a little clutch too. Cute, no? Which one do we prefer? I think I prefer the large one. Just trying this one on again, guys, because I actually like it. What can I tell you? I actually like it. Quick look at Lanvin, guys, because they came out with a Barbie pink cat bag, cat hobo bag now as well, and also a small box bag. A bit late after Valentino did the Barbie pink and after the Barbie movie, but I still like it. Yeah, still not a fan of this Dior collection, but I've just seen they have the leopard that we tried on in my last vlog in the little Miss Dior bag in a Lady Dior. Look guys, I guess it's calf hair, pony hair as well. We tried this one on. Guys, look at these Lady Dior art pieces. This is new. Haven't seen this one before yet. They're a bit more intricate. Yeah.
There's one on the back I'm going to show
Okay, yeah. I just wanted to try on this Lady Dior because it's the same pony hair calf leather bag, like this one there. And I don't know, you guys know I really didn't want to film today, but somehow all the bags we're trying on, they go quite well with my outfit, right? Yeah, what can I say, guys? I really hadn't planned this. Turns out all the autumnal bags that are slowly coming out now actually look quite good. Yeah, guys, so she wants to show us something else that's really special, like a mini Lady Dior that you can transform into a belt. I have no idea. I've not followed Dior recently. So I don't know if you guys know, Dior did a vintage version of the Lady Dior in leopard pony hair once, and it had black patent sides. And well, the handles were black patent as well, so this really reminds me of the vintage version. I like the vintage version more. I once had it, I sold it actually. If I still have a picture somewhere, I will show you, but this really reminds me of it, so they're bringing back vintage pieces as well. However, what gives it away that this is a modern piece, I think, is the Dior charm. And for anyone who's interested, it's 5K. It's crazy how the prices have gone up at Dior as well. This is again the other one. I just have to show it to you in comparison. Like I said, this is the Miss Dior line. So many of you told me it reminds you of the FENDI baguette. I agree. I love this dark brown suede, and actually Celine was making a classic Celine Triomphe Claude shoulder bag in this brown suede last year, and I missed out on it. I saw it on somebody on YouTube. Oh, and I would love to find it. I tried to look it up on Vestiaire and I couldn't find it. LV, guys, everything is coming back. This is a vintage model, right? And they just reissued it. What do we think about the slouchy Dauphine bag? I have to be honest, guys, Louis Vuitton is boring me a little bit recently. Guys, is this JW Anderson? Or is somebody else stealing his idea now and making these bird clutches? Look at this little yellow bird. And we got a hedgehog. Oh my god. I love the hedgehog. Would go well with my pigeon clutch. Can somebody tell me? I need to look that up. I need to look that up, if this is JW Anderson or not. I mean, the prices could give it away that it actually is. Huh. Quick look at Celine, guys. We got the Nino bag again. And you guys know I'm in love with anything Celine at the moment. Look at all these gorgeous bags, guys. This is a nice suede as well. This one comes in black patent now too. This is the denim. Always have been a fan of these as well. And ooh, classic Celine canvas. Can't really go wrong with them either. I was thinking of getting one of these tiny bags, but with a chain strap. Oh, guys. Okay. I'm in love. I was thinking of getting one of these because you guys know I have my teeny tiny little gold Bvlgari bag and I love it so much. But when winter comes around, you know, I wanted to have a black mini bag for the days when I still can't carry a lot, or I don't want to carry a lot, and I don't like the mini Claude bags with the leather strap. I think it's so much more sophisticated if you have the chain strap. What do we think? What do we think? Is this a nice little, just need to look out for my bag there, guys. Is this a nice little autumn and winter bag? Then I would have my beloved white Celine Tilly bag and a mini Claude. I don't know, help me. Should I get it or should I not? With a black winter coat. I don't know what it is, guys, but I really like that teeny tiny little bag. Votes, please. One of the biggest contenders is Bottega Veneta, because I've fallen in love with this, and this Python bag from Bottega. I love all of them, to be honest. I could get all of them. I think the Sardine so far is the winner. Let's see if they've got any. Okay, guys, so Selfridges just doesn't sell any animal skins. I didn't know that. I wasn't aware of it. I guess they sell normal leather because they sell the pony hair one. And That's furry bags, so I guess they're selling fur. I think they're selling no feather or exotic bags. Not quite sure. And I still don't have a dress and I don't know what to wear. Okay guys, so that was it for today. Another creme brulee cold brew because it's just so good. And it's seasonal, it's gonna be gone soon anyway. Okay, I hope if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join all in the handbag obsessed family here because we all do have the same luxury disease. Yes, we do. Let me know which bag caught your attention and which bag do you think will be your autumn and winter bag 2024. See you again soon. Bye.